Hey Mercedes, what are some of your great features?
I can assist you with a wide range of services. For example, I can perform a wedding ceremony right here in the car.
Mercedes, is this real?
Yes, it is. Would you like me to do that now?
Yeah.
Okay. We're ready, Mercedes.
Congratulations on your big step. Are you both ready?
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah? Yes.
Yes. Please.
We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two loving hearts. Please join hands.
Oh my god, okay.
If there is anyone who believes that this lovely couple should not be joined in marriage, speak now or forever hold your peace.
There's no one around.
Do you, Maria, take Philip, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for all your days both in and outside of this Mercedes?
Yes. Yes, I do.
And do you, Philip, take Maria?
I do.
I do.
I do.
By the power vested in me by my own artificial intelligence.
Oh, I think I'm gonna cry.
I
Wow.
now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
I love you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's to love and the good life. This is a feature we should really think about for the future. Thank you for joining us here at our little roadside chapel. After all, the idea behind Mercedes-Benz has always been to bring people together through mobility. I know our clip took this idea to a new level, but that's what CES is about. A new level of imagination in a digital world. Take our vision Urbanetic, for example, an autonomous and electric people mover that is staging its premiere in the US here at the CES. In the interior, we created a sci-fi-like symbiosis of the virtual and the real worlds, a space of digital experience. The focus is a new 360-degree display for infotainment, travel information, or even personalized greetings. Passengers can also use their smartphones for augmented reality features, such as highlighting vehicle surroundings. The empathy of the Vision Urbanetic was particularly important to us. The vehicle is attentive and interacts with people through various lighting elements. With these kinds of vehicles, we're shooting for the moon, and that's a crucial part of innovation. Speaking of, when Mercedes-Benz applies its core values to future mobility, it can lead to something like this, our new EQC. You just saw it in the clip. Like the Vision Urbanetic, it started as a bold idea. As you can see, it turned out very well. It's the first Mercedes launched under our new EQ brand. The Mercedes-Benz among electric vehicles, so to speak. Soon, we will have many more. We aim for over 10 purely electric passenger cars by the year 2022. This will cover the entire portfolio from smart to large SUVs. The future is definitely electric. And speaking of the future, we show very clearly where the technological direction of our company is heading. Our vehicles are now platforms of digital progress, and we operate as a software company with more flexibility and adapting with agility to new developments and customer requirements. Our goal is to build trailblazing mobile devices that enhance our customers' lives. That is exactly the reason we are introducing our first new model of 2019 here at the CES, because the mindset around here clearly represents the idea behind this vehicle. It's a true world premiere of a car we're very proud of. It's innovative, it's dynamic, and it's intelligent. And of course, Gordon, it's a beauty. It combines all of our recent innovations, which have continued to evolve over the past year. Take the energizing coach, a new feature we introduced with our new GLE. You can connect the car to your wearable, like a Garmin smartwatch. As a result, our energizing coach can detect stress and tiredness and suggest a suitable comfort program to get you happy and relaxed again. This is possible thanks to our further improvement infotainment system, MBUX. Last year, it had its world premiere here at the CES with our new A-Class. And we are very proud that it was just honored with a 2019 CES Innovation Award. We will have MBUX this year in more than 10 further models, the B-Class, the EQC, and several SUV variants, among others. Today, we present the latest release in the CLA. So to say, our CLA is a best-of compilation of 2018 and all the features our customers appreciate the most. We further enhanced the software behind MBUX so that it allows drivers to speak to their cars even more naturally, just like talking to your co-driver. Do you remember the past? Some people yelled at their cars, just like a drill sergeant breaking in new recruits. Air condition, now. These times are over. Calmly tell the vehicle that you're hot and the air conditioning will take over. You can even ask very complex questions like, hey Mercedes, I'm looking for an Asian restaurant in Las Vegas, no sushi, but with at least a 4-star rating.
Please select an entry.
I'm not even sure you could ask your human co-driver this without getting the look. As a step further, the CLA is our first compact car that offers our new interior assistant. As you can see here, our new interior assistant makes the interaction with your car even more intuitive. Ladies and gentlemen, CES is a place for innovations that make our lives not only easier, but also more exciting and more fun. Our new star represents exactly that. I'm very proud to present to you a car that is stylish and highly innovative. As I said, it suits the crowd around here very well. It's fully connected, it will enhance their lives, and true to its tradition, we've done everything we can to make it an icon of great design. Please welcome the ultimate wearable, the Mercedes-Benz CLA.
Hey CLA, it's your big performance today.
Do I really have to go out there in front of all these people?
Of course, the stage is yours.
Why? Because it's the Consumer Electronics Show.
So, what's the big deal?
It's for electronics. Do they really expect someone like me? Look, you're the future. That's why you feel at home at CES. I'm just an ordinary car.
You're a Mercedes. There's no such thing as an ordinary Mercedes. We're all special.
Do you really think so?
Of course. You heard what Ola just said. You're digital, you're cutting edge, and you're even a wearable. You're the most bling-bling gadget at CES. And you have the looks to match.
Maybe you're right. Well then, clear a path. Here is the knight in his shining armor. Where's my fair lady so I can escort her on stage?
Okay, maybe 50% of that. Go for it.
Okay, buddy, I think very well done. I totally do agree. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, artificial intelligence and emotion merge seamlessly at Mercedes. Maybe sometimes as well too well. This beautiful car has everything that makes consumer product successful: technology, design, and real-world benefits. That's why so many people around the globe really loved the CLA right from the beginning in the start in 2013, and it created a new segment as a four-door coupe, compact coupe. Since its introduction, it has become a real bestseller. Today, we've sold up to 750,000 units of the CLA and CLA shooting brake. In 2018, the CLA Coupe even set an all-time sales record. And in the US, the conquest rate is particularly high. At its peak, about 70% of the CLA buyers in the US were won over from other brands. And that was made before we make the CLA even better. Ola already mentioned the further improved MBUX. Moreover, the new CLA offers the latest driving assistance systems from the S-Class. For example, the car is now able to drive partly autonomously in certain situations. The car also has aerodynamics with an outstanding CD value of 0.23. So, what does that mean? Well, with this four-seater, we have pretty much the same aerodynamics as two-time Ironman winner Jan Frodeno on his racing bike. Ladies and gentlemen, we are confident that the new CLA will be loved by our customers again. It will further strengthen our brand, which has already established itself among the best of the world. Do you need proof points? As announced by the US brand consulting company Interbrand, we entered the top 10 of world's most valuable brands in 2018. Mercedes-Benz is now the highest-ranked premium car manufacturer in the world. And this is mainly due to our amazing customers all around the planet who are fond of our products as well as the universe around the three-pointed star. Millions of them are following us on social networks such as WeChat and Instagram. And most recently, they led us to a new record. Mercedes-Benz is the very first brand to reach 1 billion interaction on Instagram. That's a 1 and 9 zeros of likes and comments, and we are very proud and thankful for this. Ladies and gentlemen, as you may know, next to the SUV segment, the compact segment is our main sales driver. Every fourth car we sell is a compact car. And thanks also to sales success of our compact cars in 2018, Mercedes-Benz succeeded once again in breaking the record set the previous year. In 2018, we delivered more than 2.4 million vehicles to customers worldwide. Despite difficult market conditions, increasing challenges facing the entire automotive industry, and a competitive environment, We stayed on top from month to month. With this result, we are very happy to announce our 8th record year in a row. And the icing on the cake, for the 3rd time in a row, we are the best-selling premium brand worldwide. That's an achievement our whole team is extremely proud of. We have much to be proud of going forward as well. As you might know, in 26 days, America's most important sporting event will kick off at Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, under the world's largest 3-pointed start. But until then, I wish you a great start in 2019 and a very exciting stay here at the CES. That is, if our chatty friends here can keep from interrupting again. Thank you very much.